If you're interested in learning how to say Longirostris in Spanish, then you're in luck. Longirostris is a Latin word that means long-snouted, and it can be translated to Spanish as longirostro. Longirostro is pronounced as longirostro, and it's a masculine noun, so it's always preceded by the masculine article, el. For example, el longirostro means the long-snouted. Learning new words in a different language, such as Spanish, can be a fun and rewarding experience. It can help you understand more about the culture and history of Spanish-speaking countries, as well as open up new opportunities for travel and communication. If you're interested in learning more Spanish words and phrases, as well as improving your language skills, make sure to subscribe to this channel. We provide engaging and informative content to help you learn Spanish in a fun and easy way. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we post new videos, and you'll have access to a wealth of knowledge to help you become a proficient Spanish speaker. So, whether you're interested in learning how to say longirostro, or want to broaden your understanding of the Spanish language and culture, subscribing to this channel is the perfect way to get started. Hit the subscribe button now and let's embark on this exciting journey of language learning together.